Look guys, we shall buy this car.
Oh no!
Volvo. It's Sweden, made in Sweden. Uy.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys is papunta kami doon sa Öland. Medyo malapit lang siya pero may kalayuan din. Mga 2 hours ang biyahe. Ang island na yun ay tinatawag na Öland. Pupunta kami doon kasi may aatinan kami na meeting doon sa lugar na yun. So we are on our way guys to Öland. Kasama ko ang aking butihing partner na si Ricard. Siya yung nagda-drive today. Kasi pag malayo yung biyahe namin, siya talaga ang in charge sa manibela. Ayan guys, ito yung mga madadaanan natin na lugar dito sa Sweden. Yung mga bahay. Si Bunso is nakatulog na ulit kasi nagigising siya ng maaga today. Ginising namin ng maaga. So ayan, natulog ulit siya dito sa car. I will update you guys later doon sa aming pupuntahan na lugar. Driving so fast na pa. Yeah, she go to the same way. So, update guys, we are near now to the bridge. We shall pass the bridge, the long bridge going to Öland from Kalmar. Si Bunso tulog pa rin. Hello. Sa tropical. Pagod si Bunso kasi maagang nagising ang iyang rabbit. Hey rabbit. Hey rabbit. Now we are here in this bridge. Ölands brun, it sure felt abstinct. The King of Sweden have a house here in Öland. During the summer, they will come here for holiday. So this is the long bridge. That place is Kalmar. There fix the road here. This bridge, guys, is about 6 kilometers long. 6 kilometers. Good morning. Good morning. På svenska, good morning. Good morning, allihopa. Good morning. This one, I mean that one. That is what you call that one in English. I don't know. Wind. Here, these things here, they are very, very old. They are more than 300 years, maybe. That kvarn you call it in Swedish?
Väderkvarn.
Väderkvarn? Aha, vindelavet, vad heter den?
Ja, Olof. Sväderkom.
Det är inte Jan-Olof.
Det är hans. Det är hans.
Väderkvarn.
Hans pappa.
Hans pappa, ja. Hans pappa. Rafaels pappa. Vem är Rafael? Vendilas kusin.
Det är mammas Rafael.
Rafael's mama is mama's sister. Tilde. Bibili na naman siguro siya ng ibang sasakyan. We're looking for the Ford car. Ford Mondeo. Yes, kaya. Är det insignia? Pappa? Look, guys. We shall buy this car. Volvo. It's Sweden. Made in Sweden. Uy. Wow. Look at that blue car. Volkswagen. Wala dito yung hinahanap namin, guys. So, we shall go out. Yeah.
Just 4,000 kilometers.
Yes, oh. E di kumbi.
Ja. Ja. Tack på dig. Ja.
E di remote control? White again.
Very nice.
Huh?
Very nice.
Yeah. No black color.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. This
I am full, Mama.
Me too. Vanilla också.
Stor och stark.
Ja, du är stor och stark.
We're going home now. Not yet. We will go back to the car store. We are here in the center, in the city of Kalmar. We have been eating So this is the city. The restaurants here. People are eating outside. Some stores, clothes, affären. We are people is walking with the stroller. So the buildings are very nice to look. We are in the city center. Wow, that car is incredible.
Do you know why I was waiting for that woman, Mama?
What woman?
Who was in that Volvo?
No?
Because we was from that Gongfart.
Aha.
So she's allowed to go first.
Okay.
Then you need to
Here
give
is the
way.
train station here in Kalmar, guys.
Hello, Mama. That's what?
Yeah. Here is the train station and the bus station.
Det är buss.
Yeah.
Många buss, Vendela.
Många bussar.
Öland på bussen. Runt, runt, runt. Runt, runt.
Kanta jud lagi dayan.
Runt, runt, runt.
Mm.
Öland på bussen. Runt, runt, runt.
There is Kalmar slot. What is slot in English?
Castle.
Castle. Kalmar Castle.
Ska bussen on.
That is Kalmar Castle there.
Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish. Ska bussen dålig.
Swish, swish, swish. Hela staden.
Dörren på bussen. Öppna så stängt. Öppna så stängt. Öppna så stängt. Hjulen på bussen. Öppna så stängt.
Titta här. Och sing. Sjunga. Sing. Continue. Continue singing.
Hjulen på bussen. Hjulen
Bakåt tillbaka.
Barnen på bussen.
Bla bla
Bla,
bla.
bla, bla, bla. Bla, bla, bla. Taka bussen och...
Barnen på
Nej,
bussen.
nej, 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 nej.
Nej? Why not?
Till det tåget för...
Look at that building.
Världen, fönster.
Si Ida. Si Ida.
Så han löser
En biljett. Och tåget.
kan gå och tågen kan gå.
Tut tut.
Hjulen på bussen. Barnen på bussen. Bussen. Sen är ni nyss. Barnen på bussen.
notice some of the buildings here is apartments. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah.
There we go.
The next
Go,
day,
Mama.
yeah. Wish.
Horse.
Nah,
Wish.
we don't need, I think.
Punan pupusan. Wish. Lunti hilas to. Down.
We're going home now, guys. Hindi ko na kayo na-update doon sa pinuntahan namin kasi hindi pwedeng mag video doon. So dito na kami on our way to our home, to Högsby. There's a little bit of traffic now because it's time for the people who are going home from work. Also, so a little bit of traffic on the road, but not same in Philippines that it is so much bumper to bumper. So hope you guys like my vlog for today, and please subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Sweet Bill Mom. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe, guys. So there's 1, 2 humans. See? It's Miga sardines from Philippines. I buy. Oh, why it's wet?
Labay na ko na ni mo.
Before we go home, guys, today is tumaan ako muna sa Asian store at nag-shopping ng maraming soya and noodles from Philippines. Lucky me noodles. I buy food from Philippines in that Asian store, guys, because in Kalmar there is Asian store that you can buy some product from Philippines. So that's why I buy this one. Lucky Me beef noodles and Mamacita's chop soy mix. Wala gani, wala di ay. And shrimp.